And today, guys, we're going to be checking out this ceiling fan. Let me turn on this light right here for us so we can see it a little bit better. Maybe you can see it there. And we will turn the fan on itself, but you can see it's a sleek, white, modern design. This is a smart fan. You do get a remote, but it is also app controlled, which is a very cool feature. You have RGBs at the top. You have different color temperatures with the main light, and just tons of features, and we're going to go over most of them, or if not all of them. I'm going to try to cover everything. So let's just go ahead and get right to it. So I'm going to kill this light right here first, and we're going to go ahead and hit power. Now we're going to turn the light on, and there you go. You can see how it came to life. Now you can see the light is dimming, so yes, you can dim the light. You can brighten the light. You can change the temperature of the light. You can see that we're going all the way up to 6,000 Kelvin, which is a very cold light. And we're going to go all the way down to a 3,000 Kelvin, which is a very warm light. And we just hit the little reset button in the middle of the remote to bring it back. Now, what I'm going to do is turn off that light, and we're going to turn on the RGB. And now you can see that you have this function right here. As you can see, it's going through the different colors. But if you keep hitting the RGB button on the remote, you go through the different colors and different effects. And as you can see, you get many different ones. You can also choose solid colors. So it just allows you to set the mood in your room and give you that mood lighting rather than just the full bright light right here. And we can just turn that off and turn it back on and turn back on the main light. Now you do have 6 different speeds on the fan, and we're just going to put it on speed 1. And as you can see it's now come on. It's ultra quiet. You do have timers. You have a 2-hour, a 4-hour, and an 8-hour timer. And I will bring you closer to the remote so I can actually show you an up close look of the remote. And there's also an app that you can use called Fan App Pro, and you can connect to your fan with your phone and control it with your phone. So let's go ahead and we're going to take a closer look at the remote. Okay, so here's an up close look of the remote. You can see you have your fan speeds 1 through 6. You have your fan off button right there. You have your power off and on to everything. This is your RGB button. This is your RGB mode button. This is your main light off and on. This is dim and brightness. This is your color temperatures. And this is to go back to defaults. And then you have a 2-hour, 4-hour, and 8-hour timer. All right, so this is a more up close look of the fan. It's really hard to kind of show you the fan with the light on, but you can see that I've chosen the whitewash look blade. And the other one is, the other side is just more of a tan color. So I felt like this side was more of a match. You have the easy off and on globe with the LEDs on the inside. And you can see that everything is very sleek and modern looking. So as you can see, this is a very modern looking fan. It does come in a couple different colors. So choose the size, choose the color that you want. I like the fact that you have the mood RGB lighting on the top, and that you have so much variation with the main light itself, going from that warm light to that ultra bright white light, and the fact that you can dim it and set it at the brightness that you like. The fan was easy to install, didn't pose any major challenges. Just like any other fan, the instructions were easy to follow and plain to see. So if you're comfortable with installing this kind of stuff, just follow the instructions and you won't have any issues. If you're not comfortable, then please hire a handyman or an electrician to do it for you. So overall, I'm pleased with the fan. I like the modern look. I like the fact that you have reversible blades. You have the white blade on one side and the tan blade on the other, so you can choose which blade option you like. And I am pleased with my new ceiling fan. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.